steamy day just got a little more interesting.
Yeah, a lot popping up on the radar as we look across here, Eric. And is this going to be an all-night thing?
Not going to be an all-night thing. So today's storms are basically built on the heat of the day. They're kind of like your Florida storms, where they need those high temperatures and the humidity, get enough instability to create your thunderstorm. We're already seeing, as we get closer to sunset, the storm's weakening, and that trend continues as we move towards sunset. And within an hour after sunset, it's all gone across the area. Now, we had some much stronger storms a little bit earlier on, still packing a gusty punch with some lightning and thunder, but you can clearly see that weakening trend as our line has been falling apart a little bit. Here's that first storm, which is moving off toward the north and east and up by 495. Right now, the heavy rain starting to move out of Worcester. It's into Shrewsbury now, as well as Grafton getting a downpour, and Clinton, Harvard, some heavier rainfall, Princeton getting some of the heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, and all this again moving up roughly parallel to 495 as it heads over toward Lowell. And the Pepperell area will get some heavy rain too. Lighter rain falling in Amherst as well as Nashua, New Hampshire. We look at storm reports. Couple of trees down reports in the Munson area, Brimfield. We had some stronger winds here as the storm was a little bit more intense at that point. And here's how it looked as it came through Bradley Airport a little bit earlier on this afternoon. Ryan Edward sending in that picture. Nice shelf cloud showing up there. The leading edge of our cooler air moving its way on down toward the ground. Very hot still in eastern Massachusetts, where the clouds are moving in overhead. You can see that cirrus shield advancing. In Boston, I don't think these are going to hold together as we watch them weaken approaching the city. Maybe a quick shower. I would not expect a strong thunderstorm to make it to the city tonight. And south and east of Boston, I think you'll be staying dry as well, as all that activity that now is in eastern Connecticut continues to fall apart. Dew points are in the 70s. It will stay very warm, very humid tonight. Our air temperatures in the 70s. And then tomorrow we do it all over again. We'll look at a mix of very warm temperatures, high humidity, a little bit more cloud cover around for tomorrow. Won't be as blue as what we saw today. And another round of pop-up showers and storms. Tomorrow's look most likely toward New Hampshire as well as Vermont, western and northern sections of Massachusetts. So if you're, say, from Worcester to Boston, south and east, or on the North Shore, I don't think we'll be seeing any storms tomorrow. Of course, we'll keep you updated as we make our way through the day. But the highest risk is certainly to the north and west. I would expect a very stormy day toward the Lakes region as well as southern Vermont. So tomorrow morning we start off in the 70s, some areas of low clouds, a bit more cloud cover expected tomorrow, but still very warm, well into the 80s, very humid outside, and a few of those afternoon storms popping up. High temp near 90 in Boston, upper 80s for many towns across the area, and low to mid 80s on the south coast as well as the Cape. So it's another day to make sure you stay hydrated. If you're heading to the beach, not quite as bright, but still warm, and the wind out of the south-southwest tomorrow, a little more southerly than what we had today. Then on Saturday, in comes the next system. This will bring showers and storms, more cloud cover around. To the west early in the day, Boston area, eastern Massachusetts, it looks more toward the evening and overnight that we'll have our best chance of some heavier rainfall. So for the PanMass Challenge, I think we can see a dry morning before the rain starts to develop by late morning to midday, and then most likely in the afternoon. It'll be very muggy outside with temps close to 80. So here's your 7-day outlook. Sunday, it's a little bit less humid, still well into the 80s with clearing skies after some morning cloud cover and a hot start to next week. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. New at 6, it was